Greetings. In this screen recording, I'm going to talk about what I keep in my Priority 600 repair kit, starting with the belt, of course, because the belt is something that only can be purchased from Priority. Basically, you're not going to find it at a bike shop anywhere. Additionally, I've added a hand-sewn frame bag to my bike, which was a fun and long process, which I won't go into in this video. So, beyond the belt, we got some other things that are nice and handy to have, and we will talk about those now. So try and keep my repair kit in the triangle frame bag. Here's my items. Let's have a look and see what we got here. It's pretty simple for a tubeless tire setup. So we do have a tube just in case, and this is one of the tubes that shipped with the bike. So when I converted it to tubeless, I just rolled that up and taped it with some paintbrush tape. We have 4 12-inch zip ties and 1 6-inch small zip tie. Priesta valve and Schrader valve tire pump. I'll have links to all these products in the description below. Right here we have a bacon strip applicator. This is like a $7 version with 10 bacon strips. So most of the time, if there's like a puncture in the tire, you just pop a bacon strip in, pump it up, and you're good to go. If that doesn't work though, I have some tire levers right here. These are my favorite type. They're pretty strong. I've only broke one once on a crazy other project. And then here's the toolkit that I keep. So it's very simple with the belt drive. You don't need a lot of stuff, and I only commute primarily on this bike. I also keep some earplugs. Those are nice just in case I'm working on a busy roadway. I realized I only had one in my kit, so I went and grabbed one off the wall, so I have 2 now, and there we go. The other things I keep in my frame bag are a micro USB to female large USB charger or wire, and then a USB male to USB-C male connector so I can charge my phone off the bike light. And that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around.